Four Seasons Madrid. What a lovely thing to be welcomed by a tile from Madrid. Very clever. And what have I got to drink? A vermouth. 2 vermouth. And I've got some notes. And I've got a fake copy of Four Seasons magazine. And I've got a very pleasant sitting room. It's very Spanish. Nothing grates. There are lots of little touches to it, like the crescellation at frieze level. Bits in the baby tubes. And lovely carpet. And look at the decoration in the guest powder room. Little hint of Geneva there, actually. Big long desk with an adapter, and there are lots of USBs, typically Spanish. Sockets have USB holes in them around. Such a good idea. This used to be a bank. Yes, look at all the sockets there. Beautiful woodwork. And now into the bathroom. Oh, what gorgeous marble. It's so sunny, it's a cheer-up marble. Why don't all bathrooms go for this colour? And shelving underneath, very good thing. And Rossano Ferretti, non-fixed toiletries. It's understated, there's not too much, and what there is just lovely.